Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. And in this video I am going to let you know how you can use similar web extension and similar web website for using and for exploring keywords and websites, and to analyze keywords and websites as well. So what I'm going to do, I am going to search here similar web. So friends, first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open similar web extension for Chrome. So I will search here similar web, and I will open it and I will add it to my Chrome. You can see. So friends, I have downloaded, and I am going to open extensions, and I will still it is not added, it will take some time. Okay, done. So friends, what is the next thing to do? I am going to log in with my Google account. You can see here is the Google account, and I am going to sign up with this one as well. It will take some time, my internet is not too fast, so it will take some time. You can see. Okay friends, first what I'm going to do, let's suppose I'm going to open google.com. now I'm going to let you know what is the benefit of this extension. Let's open some other website like TechRadar. Here is the website techradar.com. so what is the benefit of this extension? I will need nothing to do, I will just click on this icon, and okay, I will have to okay, fine. So friends, here all the things are open, all the analytic here will be open, some analytic menu will be open in front of you, and you can see what is the monthly visitors, 59 million, and what is the monthly visit of February, what are the monthly visitors of February, about 49 million, March about 56.43 million, 51 million, 52 and 52.9. here is the bounce rate 80.04%, pages per visit 1.38, monthly visit are about 52.90 million, average visit duration is about 1 minute and 7 seconds. that is quite good. You can also see its geography, from which country is the most of this website is most of the traffic. First of all, it's about United States of America, and that is about 31.78%, quite good traffic from America. The next one is United Kingdom, 15.58%. next one is Canada, 4.52%. next one is India, 4.15%, and Australia, 3.76%. and you can also see from more countries and how much traffic they are gaining per month. So friends, I am going to wind this up, and I am going to open the target traffic and engagement menu. So friends, you can see, and here is the global rank of this website. Okay, another thing that I want to add here is the most important thing to know. Here is the global rank. You can see it means globally, on worldwide, how much number is of this website in ranking. It's about 1398th number, and in United States it's about 990th number, and in category it's about 56 for a 56th website on this ranking position in its category of computer electronics and technology. So friends, you can see it is quite easy to explore this website, and I have successfully logged in with my Google account, and you can see here referrals, and you can also search any website like google.com. Friends, here is the website that I am going to explore. It's google.com, and I will see on which number it is ranked in world and country as well. So you can see it is globally ranked at number 1. Country rank is also number 1. Category rank is also number 1. It is, you can say, number of top website in its in Google, in internet, in the field of internet. Total visits are about 89.50 billion per month. Average view duration is about 11 minutes 31 seconds. Bounce rate 27.86%. So friends, you can see it is quite amazing tool to work on. Amazing website, similarweb.com, and you can also buy its premium version. So I will go for free right now. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.